fishing this morning. He got some footage on the, what's that thing called? GoPro. And so hopefully we'll get that up for you tomorrow. He's just unloading all the stuff. Still got the boat all hooked up and everything. Like that, he's just unloading. Well, right now he's actually talking to the neighbors, but whatever. Yeah, he's just unloading the boat and all that. And I went for, you know, just watching the Shea Tarts again. It's like she's addicted to those people. We went for a walk in Jackson's Park. I got some footage of that, so hopefully you guys will enjoy it. It's really nice there. It's a big park that's really right in the middle of town, and there's big trees and a creek and the whole 9 yards. It's beautiful. So we went for a quick little walk, not far, but Jess doesn't walk well through terrain. There's a little park there and stuff, so I did that with my mom. And Paul made some spaghetti sauce, and right now I'm just making a cup of coffee with my Tassimo. Nice big cup of coffee. And sauce here, Paul made some sauce. He's got that on the go there.
You looking at my meatballs?
I'm looking at your balls, baby. And then Jess is over here. And she's watching the Shea Tarts.
See?
Aw, she's crying.
Crying her mom, baby. Whoa, probably wrong.
I got that on video.
Did?
Tudor McGee.
Sorry, Mom. There's puppies on.
Nope, yes, there's a lost puppy somewhere, isn't there?
Yeah, I'm missing him.
You're gonna see if you can find him? Look at these leaves all over the ground, eh? This is Jackson's Park.
Yeah, it's rain. I got my leaves down.
Are you gonna throw all those things into the river?
Yeah.
Yeah? How come?
Mommy, come over there.
What? Some dog
Are
just...
we downwind of her?
Whew. I don't know where that came from.
Sorry, guys. Mom, this way, guys.
Go this way, it's easier, Jess. Down this path. It's not so
Yeah. Maybe I should have wore different footwear.
Yeah,
Flip-flops are probably not a good...
This isn't the place to
Be wearing flip-flops?
yeah,
Yeah.
need hiking boots.
So here we are, we're at Jackson's Park. We're just down by the, I guess you'd call it creek. It's Jackson's Creek. And Jess just wants to throw in some sticks and rocks into the water. Yeah?
Not this way.
I'm sorry, am I in your way?
Not that way. This way.
Oh, you want to go this way? Further into the jungle we go. Here, there's a path.
Oh, yeah, the path.
We'll just follow Jess.
Yep.
Yep.
This needed to again. Dolly, get off it.
Can't you?
No. There's no bathroom by myself.
Oh, yeah?
No, what? We're going here.
Here we go. Here's a nice little spot. Good job, Jess.
Thank you. Got a tip. See that?
Yeah, you did the far one. Yay. Whoa, that one almost went all the way across. Good job, Jess. More?
Wrong?
No, I wonder what the temperature of the water is. I'll try not to fall in. Oh, it's cold as cold can be.
What?
It's as cold can be. You would like it though, Jess.
Yeah. Mommy.
That way, and there's the little bit of a falls.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice place.
Not breathing. Not breathing.
And it's really pretty when fall hits.
Mom, not breathing.
No, you may not put your feet in the water, babe.
Please.
Nope, stand up, please. Okay, let's go on a walk.
No, it's hard.
No, I said we'll go for walk first, then park, then home. No, you're not getting fries.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, Jess. Let's go see some more fall colors.
Your legs are sleepy now, eh?
So this is the walking trail that goes through Jackson's Park. And it goes quite a ways. It's like some 20 kilometers or something through here.
Right out to Atkinson Road, I
Yeah, yeah, it goes right out into the countryside of,
guess.
beyond the countryside of Peterborough. And you can just see down maybe in through there a little. I'll try to zoom in. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the creek is still running through. It goes all the way through. And yeah, you have people jogging and biking and walking through this trail pretty much all summer long, spring, summer, and fall. Yeah, it's a pretty gorgeous place to have kind of smack dab in the middle of town. But yeah, it's a pretty nice place. So now we're actually inside Jackson's Park, the actual like forest part. And Jessica says she doesn't want to come in. Jess, come back! Because she thinks the wolves live in here. But it's absolutely gorgeous in here. Peaceful and serene. You can tell that tree has maybe been hit by lightning or something. But yeah, this is kind of pretty much what's all the way through Jackson's Park if you were to come in. And you look way up, and there's the tops of the trees way up there. So it's quite a beautiful place. Makes you realize how little you are. What are you doing over there, Missy Moo?
What's that thing? Right there.
What's what thing?
Kind of like a wall.
Oh, the fence there? I don't know. There's like a... Yeah.
These railroad ties, the girl rotted out.
Mm-hmm. Looks like somebody's fenced it off all the way up there. I don't know why.
Well, it's probably the end of what the city owns and what the farmers
Or zone or something, yeah. It's a pretty cool place.
There's a tree that's been on fire.
Yeah, I was thinking it must have got hit by lightning or something.
Yeah, because it's not where anybody would set it down at the bottom.
Yeah, it's more up at the top. Why don't you want to come in here, Jess?
Whoa.
Because of the what?
Whoa.
The wolf. What makes you think there's a wolf in there? Huh?
Sure. Where's Grandma?
Grandma's in there. She's taking pictures of trees.
Park. Right now.
You want to go to the park right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll go. As soon as Grandma comes out, we'll go for a little play in the park. Okay?
Grandma's house.
No, we got to stop off and drop Grandma off at home, but... And you got to pick up your toothbrush.
No, my day. Grandma's.
No, you're done playing at Grandma's house because you got school tomorrow, babe.
Sammy.
Mommy.
Right. Wake me up.
Yeah, I'll wake you up in the morning, get you ready for school.
Walking.
Yeah, you're walking with Casey to school.
No, not get walking. walking my sister.
Aw, too bad.
No, I can't walking.
You don't like walking?
No,
Why?
that's me want to drive.
You want to drive?
No, you.
You want me to drive you?
Mm-hmm.
Lazy bones.
My legs are in on.
So the youngest one in the bunch here, we've only gone that far. Already she has to rest. And we still have a long ways to go. Come on, keep walking.
Here,
Well, I can't carry you, so get moving.
here, my legs hurt.
Okay, I guess then we can't go play in the park.
There's a chair up here. If you go up a little higher, there's a place to sit down for a few minutes.
Keep going, Missy.
Hey, my legs are hurt again.
Oh my
Well,
goodness.
You need to do this every day, then they won't hurt anymore.
My legs are hurt.
Get going.
My legs are back me.
Let's go to the chair.
Come on, there's a chair up here for you to sit in. Let's go.
Come
I'm
on,
gonna beat you up there.
Come on, there's the chair right there. There's the chair to sit in right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Crazy old kid. Crazy little kid. Oh.
So you can say you're busy, right? Alright, let's sit down for 5.
Whoop. Trip. Some of the view from up here.
Pictures in the trees.
Mommy, look out.
Hey, take a picture of us in the trees.
Dad, look out.
There, camera's on, ready. Another pretty morning. There we go, folks. What do you think? A nice little guy, about 2-pounder. What do you think, Mikey? Yep. Maybe they're starting to bite now, eh? Whoa! You gone? We're getting off track here.